Get it? So do I just press the oh, it's recording? Okay. So cut in between the two white clamps. There you go. Nice. Good job, Daddy.
Thank you.
Switch ya.
Thiên khối này ra là fapa cái này về thấy.
Look at all his hair. Oh my goodness. Look at all that. So cute.
Jeremiah.
He's a dolly. Okay, come over here, Dad. Eight pounds, 2 ounces.
Wow.
Get a good one of them. Come over in this, like in the front. There you go. Oh, or you get
Con nghe đấy. Con thật.
36.80. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bigger than I thought you would be, Daddy. 20 inches. He's got a like he's got Mongolian spots all over his butt, and then he's got like a darker spot here.
Let's see, that's on his.
And then he's got like some on his side, just those different colored spots. See how his butt's kind of darker? They're called Mongolian spots. It's normal. But he's kind of got a lot of them.
Okay.
It says like the Mongolian spots. Put all over. Did you?
Mà
Did you get your coffee?
I did. Don't.
ini cái fapa Jeremiah Lalhlimpuia ani ya. Pi te ve ming phu ani. Avai ni hi zun ni som ni le pathum sami le som pastori ani ya. Da bor vela tiang ni da ri ma da lekin
Oh,
thiên
165 and 50.
thiên mal som kan dong ani
Did you get the 10?
Yep.
Okay.
That's Sandy. Yes.
Methodist dam do ina pianga
Sure. Okay.
dan chen chin chia reng tur dam do in ani to ni
I haven't done head and chest yet, have I?
Nope.
Forget what I'm doing when I play with you babies.
hi piang hi
34 and a half
song
head.
song bon lai vel ani ya ari lamte asai lamte alen lamte avunte
34 chest.
atha em ti vel
Oh, I know it. Oh, I know it.
u chan chin thai ne ang khop maya
Okay, I'm just gonna go get the medications we give all the babies. The eyeliner, vitamin K injection, first hepatitis B vaccine. Okay. And then he will come to you, Mama.
Jeremiah ni Jeremiah Pathian rong bol tur in kalan ache minam chu in ihun lu beramber pathian hena lanam che Parlo sorti aussi. Tapro.